Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Tasha Olivia, and today I will present journal analysis titled Arresting Early Childhood Caries, Asing Silver and Fluoride Products and Randomized Trial. Next. This is a search journal. The first introduced early childhood caries remains a major global health challenge that can negatively impact a child's quality of life, leading this study to evaluate the effective of semi-annual application of 25 silver nitrate and followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish compared to 38% silver diamine fluoride as a simple and inexpensive alternative for arresting dental caries in young children. This is identify scientific research proposal for some aspect as follows. What are the subject and object of the research in this journal? Subject of the research generally healthy children aged 3 until 4 years old in Hong Kong who have parental consent and at least one untreated active dentin caries lesion. And object, the comparative effective of semi-annual application of 25% silver nitrate and followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish versus 38% silver diamine fluoride and solution in arresting early childhood caries. The reason the study focused on the preschool children to test the clinical success of two different caries treatment method in a real-world setting. Next, what is the objective of the journal? To compare the effective of applying 25% silver nitrate and followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish every 6 months against the semi-annual application of 38% SDF in arresting ACC. The reason research aims to find a cheaper and more accessible alternative because 38% SDF is not available to of approved in many countries. What is the research question of the journal? Is the semi-annual application of 25% silver nitrate solution followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish at least as effective or non-inferior as the semi-annual application of 38% SDF solution in arresting dentin caries in preschool children over 13 months. The reason to determine if the combined silver nitrate and sodium fluoride and protocol perform clinical as well as the established 38% SDF standard. Next. List some theoretical frameworks which we are used in the journal. The first, remineralization and antibacterial action. Fluoride and change the remineralization of enamel and dentin tissue, while silver provides an antibacterial effect against caries and pathogens. and inhibition of demineralization. Silver and fluoride products like SDF can inhibit dentin demineralization and prevent the generation of collagen in the tooth structure. And the first, non-invasive management. The study follows the framework of using simple, invasive strategy to manage ACC in children who may be uncooperative with conventional restorative treatment. The reason this theory explains the chemical process or how silver and fluoride work together to stop decay and strengthen tooth structure. Next. What research method or design which was used in the journal? Non-inferior, double-blind, active control, and randomized clinical trial. The reason this design was chosen to minimal bias and statistically prove that the new treatment is not worse than the current standard. What research instrument which was or we are used in the journal? First, clinical examination. Trained dentists perform examination using a dental mirror with a LED headlight and a ball adient. Community periodontal index proved to assess caries status, active versus arrested, based on tactile sensation and randomization tools. A stratified randomization for produced was used involving computer generate random numbers with a block size of 8 to ensure balance baseline area status between groups. And the last, blinding the dentist or examiner, the children and their parents. We are blind to the intervention allocation to prevent assessment bias. And the reason these tools are necessary to consistent check the hardness of the tooth surface determinant if the caries are arrested or active. What is the result of the conduct research in the journal? Semi-annual application, silver nitrate 25% followed by 5%. Sodium fluoride is at least as effective as 38% SDF in arresting ACC. The reason statistical analysis show 0.694 and the difference in mean arrested surface state with the non-inferior margin. Conclusion, the study concludes that the semi-annual application of 25% silver nitrate followed by 5% sodium fluoride varnish is effective as the application of 38% silver diamine fluoride in arresting dentin caries in preschool children. After 30 months, the results showed number statistically significant difference in the mean number of arrested caries surface between the two groups. 3 for the combination silver nitrate and sodium fluoride varnish serve as a viable, low-cost, and non-invasive alternative for managing early childhood caries, as particularly in country where STF is not yet available or approved. Okay, maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.